What if I told you that the very thing promising to make you rich could also wipe you out overnight? Crypto has minted millionaires, but it's also left countless people broke, scammed, and even facing legal trouble. Before you invest another penny, you need to see the dark side of cryptocurrency, because what you don't know will cost you. Stay till the end to learn how to protect yourself and still make smart moves in this volatile world. 1. The hype versus the reality. Cryptocurrency is the Wild West of finance. No banks, no middlemen. Just you, your digital wallet, and unlimited possibilities. Or so they say. Someone yelling, "Wag me," as a joke. Crypto bros love to tell you, we're all gonna make it. But let's get real. Not everyone makes it. Some lose everything in minutes. The highs and lows of crypto wealth excitement. Yes, Bitcoin turned a few lucky people into millionaires. Ethereum gave rise to an entirely new financial system. But what about those who FOMO'd in at the top? Fear. Take the 2021 crypto bull run. Prices soared. TikTok was flooded with "buy now" videos. And then, crash. Billions were wiped out. People's life savings, gone. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real dangers of crypto are even darker. 2. The hidden dangers that no one talks about. 1. Crypto scams and fraud, how people lose everything overnight. Ever heard of the phrase, "If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is"? Well, welcome to the world of crypto scams. Example. In 2022, a project called Squidcoin, yes, based on the Netflix show, skyrocketed 45,000% in days. Investors rushed in, only for the creators to vanish with millions overnight. You couldn't even sell your tokens. The money? Gone. Imagine waking up and realizing you just invested your rent money into a meme coin based on a TV show. Ouch. Urgency. And it's not just meme coins. Scammers create fake wallets, phishing attacks, and even AI deepfakes to steal your funds. The moment you let your guard down, they've already won. Point 2. The dangers of crypto hacks. No refunds, no reversals. Unlike a bank, there's no customer service in crypto. If you lose your money, it's game over. Hackers love crypto because once they take your money, it's gone. In 2022 alone, over $3 billion was stolen in DeFi hacks. Example, remember the Ronin network hack? Over $600 million disappeared when North Korean hackers exploited a vulnerability. Regular investors like you and me left with nothing. But what if I told you the government might not save you, but instead come for you? Point 3. The government crackdown. Crypto isn't as free as you think. Crypto was built to be free from government control. But now, governments are fighting back hard. Fear. The SEC is cracking down. Exchanges are being sued. And regular people, yes, even you, could face tax audits or even legal trouble if you're not careful. Example, in 2023, the IRS announced they were tracking crypto transactions like never before. Suddenly, people who thought they were anonymous started getting tax bills they never expected. Imagine explaining to the IRS that your tax money was lost in a dog-themed meme coin. Good luck with that one. Urgency. If you don't know how to legally protect yourself, the government will come knocking. But what if I told you? You can still profit from crypto if you play it smart. 3. How to stay safe and still build wealth with crypto. Crypto isn't all doom and gloom. The truth? There is a way to make money safely, but only if you avoid the traps. Here's how smart investors protect themselves while still profiting from crypto's massive potential. Achieving number 1. Avoid the scams. Spot the red flags. Never invest in something just because it's hyped. If there's no clear use case, it's probably a scam. If a project doesn't let you withdraw, red flag. And if someone promises guaranteed profits, run. Achieving number 2. Use secure exchanges and wallets. Store your crypto in a hardware wallet, not on an exchange. Use two-factor authentication everywhere. Hackers love lazy investors. And always verify website URLs. Scammers copy real websites perfectly. Achieving number 3. Know the legal and tax side of crypto. Keep records of every trade. The IRS is watching. Use tax software to track your profits and avoid surprises. And if you don't understand crypto taxes, get a CPA. It's cheaper than a lawsuit. But the biggest question remains, is crypto still the future? Or is it a ticking time bomb? And the final takeaway, crypto is powerful. It's changed lives. But if you go in blind, it will destroy you. Educate yourself. Protect your wealth. Play the game smart. Or don't play at all. And if you want to learn how to legally keep more of your money, check out this next video. How to avoid taxes legally in the US. Top secrets revealed.